Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the name as Brainrot filter on TikTok. Okay, so for that, go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do? Tap on the search button and search for name as Brainrot. Okay, the first one with 143.3k videos, tap on it. Okay, now add your name. Okay, hit the enter.
Liri lì lari là, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Liri lì lari là, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là.
Okay, this was my result. Okay, suppose you can't find the filter like this from the effect gallery or from the search, go to your For You page. Okay, I'm in my For You page. Now tap on the search button. Now here search for name as Brainrot filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Or what you can do, tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. You got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the For You page also. What you can do, let me put that. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's hear this again. Okay, let's hear my full name, what I'm getting.
Bombombini Gusini, Bombombini Gusini.
Bombombini Gusini, okay, awesome.